I've had problems, with my skin. Just this much. Just this. That is sad, okay? Wow. I bought it in Turkey here. Buying the skincare product. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. So yeah, today's Saturday and I'm starting a vlog. It's currently 8:30 a.m. now, as you saw me earlier preparing tea. So yeah, I'm not able to eat like heavy food in the morning. I like to take something very light. So when I wake up in the morning, I get very hungry. So I like to eat something. I have to eat something. So yeah, and I'm not able to eat something like anything heavy. So tea is okay for me. I take green tea or maybe any herbal tea. So yeah, I am starting a vlog today. I woke up a while ago. Actually, look, 2 days now we've not been sleeping properly because oh my god, my daughter, because my daughter stuck something in her nose, and for about 2 days now we've not been sleeping properly because her breath, like the way she breathes, like it's not normal. Okay, it's not normal. So like she's not able to breathe properly. So like, and she sleeps beside me, so when she's breathing, it's not easy. Like I can't sleep. I get very worried and I'm not able to sleep. So yeah, fortunately this morning, when the thing, I was with her, and then she was like nose. She was doing her thing, she was playing, I was also doing my thing. And then she was like nose. She came up to me, she was like nose. I didn't know what she was talking about. So I did what I can do. I helped her out, gave her water, and then she was okay. She was sneezing at first, and then she, water was just coming out of her eyes like that. And then I gave her water, washed her face, and then she was okay. But in the evening, oh my gosh, she caught cold. Like she caught cold at once. Her nose was she was just sneezing, and she couldn't breathe properly. Like when she's breathing, you can hear her breathe, and it was very bad, and it was very loud as well. So let me show you guys what got stuck in her nose. This was what got stuck in her nose, guys. This thing here got stuck in her nose. Look at how big it is. My hand, this finger, this little pinky here can't even go inside her nose. Like I'm not able to stick this in her nose, and she managed to put this in her nose. Kids if you take your eyes off them for a second, they do things. They'll do stuff to harm themselves, because they don't know what they are doing, obviously. So yeah, she's 2.5 years old, and that was what happened to her this morning. Fortunately, she sneezed out this thing, and I saw it. But I pulled it out immediately because I didn't want it to go back again. It was very scary. She started sneezing, all of a sudden I saw it come out. So yeah, if you see me looking out, some cars passing by and they are just looking at me like, what the hell? So yeah, I just pulled it out. Like ever since that thing got stuck in her nose, like she can sneeze continuously for about 10 times. Like she can sneeze like 10 times straight. So yeah, finally we got the thing out. So that's end of story. Long story short, it came out, alhamdulillah. So yeah, today is Saturday and I'm starting a vlog. I hope you guys enjoy this vlog though. There's nothing really much, but I'm planning to make egg roll this morning for breakfast. I haven't tried it before. This is my first time going to do egg roll. I hope it comes out like great. I've seen people doing it and some do not come out great, but I hope mine will. But if it doesn't, fine, I'll try it again since this is my first time. So I'm going to do that, and yeah, I'm just vlogging. I'll just vlog anything that comes up. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, it will mean a lot to me. And yeah, give this video a thumbs up and please comment down below. Okay, comment down below. Don't make me feel I'm talking to myself all the time. Okay, it's sad. Please comment down below, okay, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And let's get into the video. The next clip you see is me preparing breakfast, making the egg roll. I hope it comes out great. So I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, so it's a little bit later now. We finished eating breakfast, so yeah, and I am coming to do a face mask. So this is what looks like. This is basically a egg white and then coffee mixed together, only two ingredients mixed together. So this concoction helps minimize pores. So yeah, I usually previously I've been very consistent with this face homemade DIY face mask. Yeah, so now I use it like once a while, and yeah, I got new skincare product. I'll insert a video of me going to buy it, and I did a video of me going to buy it and then making a haul of that skincare product. And guys, if you are familiar with my skin, you know I've had problems with my skin, like ever since I don't know how to even like I've always had problem with my skin. My skin has never been cleared. Like my skin can be clear for like maybe 3 days, a week, and then I'll start breaking out. So I don't even trust my skin, guys. I don't even trust my skin. So yeah, I've got new product, and for about 2 weeks now I've not had like serious breakouts or something. You know how when it's the time of the month you break out, guys? Nothing. Okay, nothing. I didn't see nothing, and it's my dark spots are clearing out. That's Awesome. So finally I've gotten a product that works for my skin. So yeah, I'm done applying the product on my face, as you can see. So I'm going to insert the clip. So I'm going to insert the clip of, let me adjust this. Yeah, so I'm going to insert the clip of, the video I made 2 weeks ago of me buying the skincare product and then doing other stuff as well. So my hands are looking dirty, so I'm going to go ahead and wash it. So I'm going to see you guys after I wash my face, which will be in 10 minutes time, for you to see how my skin will look. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye. So I want to change my face wash. If I should go for this is expensive. Hi guys, so I just got home. So I can't show you my face because I don't have my scarf on. But what I want to show you guys is what I got. So yeah, these are the only things I got. I mean, not the only things, but I did some food shopping as well. But this is that. But I want to show you the cosmetics stuffs I got. So yeah, this is the serum Herbadem, and it's a vitamin C serum. So I've been wanting this for a very long time, and finally I've got my hands on it now. So yeah, I don't know how. Let me quickly open this. But wait, let's come to this before we open that. So yeah, this is so everything is literally like written in Turkish. So yeah, this is the evil. I'm not even going to try. Okay, so this is the name. That's yes, and it says it has some English on it. So it says it's a 2-in-1 pump 2-in-1 cleanser or mask, pink grapefruit. 2-in-1 cleanser or mask, pink grapefruit, and it says it has zinc. It's a cleanser. It eliminates imperfections. It's a mask as well, and it unclogs pores, and it's made of zinc and clay, 0% paraben. I'm so excited to try this one. And I got this hair conditioner. I use the argan shampoo and conditioner, but the conditioner, I'm out of it. So yeah, I had to get another conditioner, and unfortunately they didn't have the argan hair conditioner, so I had to get this avocado and honey. I've never seen this before, like at the shop where I get my my cosmetics. So yeah, I'm happy to try this out. I just hope it's I have a feeling it's going to be very good. So yeah, and I got the last thing I got was this one. This is for my daughter. Yeah, I like to use baby oil for hair, and this is made of avocado oil and olive oil and what's it called, almond oil as well. So it has 3 or 4 ingredients, I guess. Yes, it has 4 ingredients. This is called badem ve, Okay, let me read it in Turkish for you to see. So it has avocado, badem ve zeytinyağı, bebek yağı. Bebek yağı means baby oil. So yeah, it has about 1, 2, 3, 4 things. I can't even talk. It has 4 ingredients. I don't know. It was made of 4 ingredients. So yeah, that's basically it. That's basically what I got for my skincare. So I'm so excited to be trying this out. Yes. So yeah, let me open this one for you guys to see. So this is what it looks like. Vitamin C oil. I'm so excited to try it out. So I'm back and I have washed my face, as you can see. So I am going to go ahead and apply my skincare. So I'm not going to go into details my skincare because I want to do a separate video on that. So this is a vitamin C oil, and this is the product I bought, as you saw in the previous clip. So I'm going to apply some on my face. Actually need a mirror for this. So let me bring you guys up close. I forgot to do that, but can you see my skin, guys? Like, it looks very bright. So I'm leaving it on for about 5 minutes, for it to kind of set into the skin before I go in with the next product. So I am planning, I don't want to go into details because I want to do a separate video, like my morning skincare, my evening skincare. So you're going to get all the informations. Next product I'm going to be using is this one. As you can see, I'm even out of it. Like, it is literally right here. I don't know if you can see. So I'm going to apply that on my face, and this is going to go with my sunscreen because my sunscreen leaves white casts. Okay. So I'm going to go over with my sunscreen, and the one I use is this one. I bought it in Turkey here. So I'm going to go in with just this much, and I'm going to blend it in till it dissolves. It's going to look like very white, but it will dissolve, guys. So yeah, it has completely dissolved. As you can see, it looks my skin looks very glowy. And yeah, I just hope, like, when I'm hyping my skin like this, I get scared because I don't trust my skin. My skin does not like to be hyped. Okay, when you hype it too much, it will disappoint you. So I don't like to hype my skin. So yeah, this is the final. So I think I'm going to end the video right here. Please comment down below, okay? Don't make me feel like I'm talking to myself all the time. That is sad, okay? But anyways, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit that bell button, okay, to get notified whenever I upload new videos. Follow me on Instagram at Mrs. Mila. I'll put the name right here. So that is the end of this vlog. Hopefully